Welcome to Online PE. I'm looking forward to working with you and giving you a lot of fun activities that you can do. We will always start with our mantra, which I'll show you in a minute, but there are a few supplies I'd like for you to get. One will be 3 garbage bags. Okay, just 3 little garbage bags. 2 is a set of plastic cups like this. Now these are your speed stacks, but you don't have to have speed stacks. They're just like this, just 12 of them, and we'll be doing activities using this. And so I'd kind of like for you to get those 2 items ready, and then we will go on how to make different other types of equipment. But first, let's go ahead and do our mantra that we will do every time before we do PE. Just get your brain working, your right hemisphere and your left hemisphere working together. All right, here we go. Attention. Huh. Ready. Slap, clap, snap, tap, pat, nose, cross, hips, knees, toes, calf, and dab. Attention. Huh. Ready? Stop, clap, slap, stop, clap, slap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold 7, 8. Attention. Huh. Ready? Stop, stop, clap, stop, slap, stop, clap, stop, stop, clap, stop, clap, clap. Okay, I'm going to do that one part over again, because it kind of went dead on me. Okay, ready? Last mantra. Attention. Huh. Stop, stop, clap, stop, slap, stop, clap, stop, stop, clap, stop, clap, clap. And a lot of you already know this. Now, we're going to be doing juggling. I'm just going to show you with real scarves. Okay, these are real scarves. But you can also do them with, like I showed you, the 3 garbage bags.
Lately, I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes and we see what we've become. In the cold light of day, we're a flame in the wind of the fire that we begun. Every argument, every word we can't take back. Cause with all that has happened, I think that we both know the way that the story
Now, you want to pick it up.
then only for a minute.
And down.
I want to change my
And down. Then you do seesaw. This is up, 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 and then you use the cascade. Up, up, catch, catch, toss, toss, catch, catch, toss, toss. Then you want to add that third one. So now, you've got 3. Go, toss, toss, catch, catch. Get your raindrops. Alright, see, I want you to keep it going. Alright, now let's try the garbage bag. These are fun too. Alright, here we go. 6, 7,
We run our course, we pretend that we're okay. Now as we jump together, at least we can move all the way from the wreck we're feeling. Then only for a minute, I want to change my mind. This just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirit.
Okay, those were some 2 activities with the scarves and the bags and the mantra that I want you to get started on right away. Then we'll progress to juggling balls. Then we're going to be progressing to jump roping. And then we're going to be progressing to Chinese jump roping and some really fun activities using balls. And I'll show you what you can do if you don't have a ball. We can make it, okay? Now, I want to say, I miss you guys, and I really want you to connect with me either on Dojo, If you have any questions, let me know. Anything I can do, and I'll be seeing you soon. Bye-bye.